Hello everyone, my name is Saranpreet and welcome to my channel Gardenstories. So today's video is about how to grow coriander or dhania fast at home. Before starting the video, a big thanks to my college and our principal sir for supporting me and my channel so much. So thanks everyone for supporting me and my channel. So let's start the video. So here I have taken some coriander seeds and now I'm going to break the seeds into two pieces since each round seed bear two seeds in it. Press the seeds gently with balon. Do not grind the seeds. You can grow whole coriander seeds also, but this is the fastest method I have learned. So let's do it properly. Take a piece of cotton cloth and take some cocoa peat. You can also use vermicompost and cow dung compost instead of cocoa peat, whatever present at your home. You have to just mix the coriander seeds with it. Sprinkle little bit of water to moist them. Do not put much of water. And now mix it with hands. Wrap them in a piece of cotton cloth. I'm tying the cloth with rubber band. Sprinkle little bit of more water over it. And now you can keep this in dark or semi-shaded area for 24 to 48 hours. After 2 days, take out the seeds along with the cocoa peat used. Sprinkle the seeds on the pots along with cocoa peat used. The soil we have used here is normal garden soil. Now cover it with the layer of compost. In summers, keep the pots in semi-shaded areas. Water it every alternate day. For further updates, keep watching this video. watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Garden Stories.